Hello children, welcome back to Max Made Easy. Are you excited about showcasing your creativity? In this video, we are going to talk about the Decathlon State Level Drawing Competition 2025. Everything you need to know to participate, win amazing prizes, and make your mark. Let's dive in. This competition is for pre-KG to 12th class. Why to participate? To unlock your potential. Showcase your creativity on the state level platform and push the boundaries of your imagination. Not only this, you can even gain recognition, that is, win amazing prizes, certificates, and appreciation from the art community. Be inspired, connect with like minded artists, share ideas, and learn from each other. Build confidence. Present your artwork to the larger audience and take pride in your talent. About Decathlon. A brief introduction about Decathlon. Decathlon is a global leader in sports gear and outdoor adventure equipment, passionate about nurturing creativity and talent. They proudly support young artists through this initiative. Through this competition, Decathlon aims to foster creativity, community spirit, and a love for art among young talents across the states. They provide a platform for showcasing artistic skills and offering support to budding artists. This competition is also powered by Purvika, Elite, and other streamed sponsors. Competitions are held at Velachery, Chennai. The registration fees is 250 and it is non-refundable. Last date of registration is 24th Jan 2025 till 5 p.m. Registration can be done only through online in this www.playmatches.com website. The rules for this competition is the drawing charts will be provided by them and you don't need to take any chart or paper or anything else. And the drawing templates are also not allowed. Bring your own materials like art kits and so on. Special discounts will be given for the school if there are more than 25 entries. School ID is a must children, so don't forget to carry along with you. Participants must report before 15 minutes. The result will be announced immediately on the same day after 45 minutes. Now let's know some more details about the exam date, location and prizes. Exam date is 25th Jan 2025, that is Saturday. Location of competition is Kangaroo Kids, Kalki Nagar, First Cross Street, AGS Colony, Velachery, Chennai 600042, India. And the prize details. Top 5 places will be getting trophy plus certificate and all the students will be awarded with medal, participation certificate, gift voucher and a drawing book. And the topic for this competition at Velachery. For pre-KG, they'll be giving you a paper, just the kids need to color it. And this competition is held from 10 to 11 a.m. LKG to UKG, the timings are same, that is 10 to 11 a.m. and the sheets will be provided and they have to just color it. First and second class students will be having the competition from 12 to 1 p.m. and the theme is birthday cake. Third class and fourth class students will be having the competition from 12 to 1 p.m. and the theme is kangaroo. From fifth and sixth class, the competition will be held at 2 to 3 p.m. and the theme is aquarium. The students of 7th and 8th class will be having the competition at 2 to 3 p.m. and the theme is garden or pongal. Here they are having two options, so you can choose any. Now there is one more drawing competition and it is held at Nolambur. The registration fees is same 250 and it is non-refundable, and the last date of registration is 1st Feb 2025 at till 5 p.m. The registration can be done only through online at www.playmatches.com. Even here, the drawing chats will be provided. No drawing templates are allowed. You have to get your own materials. Special discount only for the only for the school if they have more than 25 entries. School ID cards are mandatory. Participants come before 15 minutes and the results will be announced immediately after 45 minutes. The exam date and location as well as the price. The exam date is on 2nd Feb 2025 on Sunday. And the location of the competition is this competition is held in a Decathlon store, West Mogapalar, Nolambur, plot number 115/1, Service Road, Ambattur Estate, Chennai 600058, India. Even here, the price details are top 5 will get a trophy plus a certificate, and all the students are awarded with medal plus participation certificate plus gift voucher. Topics for the competition. For pre-KG students, the timings for the competition is 10 to 11 a.m. and they will provide the printed chart and just they have to color it. For LKG to UKG from 10 to 11 a.m. and they will provide the printed chart and they have to just color it. First and second class will be having the competition at 12 to 1 p.m. and the theme is rainbow. Third and fourth class will have the competition from 12 to 1 p.m. and the theme is beautiful dolphins. Fifth and sixth class will be having the competition at 2 to 3:30 p.m. The theme is the moon. Seventh and eighth class will have the competition at 2 to 3:30 p.m. and the theme is my role model. Ninth to 12th class will have the competition at 2 to 3:30 p.m. and the theme is nature. Here, there are two competitions are held to give a clear difference. That is the registration date, timings, location, etc. I have done it in a single PPT. I hope this will be very helpful. You can choose either location, that is Velachery or West Magapalar, Nolambur. And the registration is 250 and even here it is 250 and the last date of registration is 24th Jan 2025. Here it is 1st Feb 2025. Registration can be done through online for both the competitions. Exam date is on 25th Jan 2025, that is Saturday. Here the exam date is 2nd Feb 2025 Sunday. The location of the competition is in Velachery, Chennai, and this one is in Decathlon store, which is in Ambattur Estate, Chennai. Congratulations to all the talented artists getting up for the Decathlon State Level Drawing Competition 2025. We are excited to see your creativity shine. If you know about any other exciting competitions happening in India, feel free to share them in the comment below. Let's help each other updated, stay updated and informed. Also, let us know the comments. Are you participating in this competition? What theme or idea are you planning for your drawing? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the competition, tips, and educational support opportunities. Best of luck to all the participants.